Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best DeWalt 10Ah battery is probably one of the most sought-after power solutions for serious DIYers and professionals alike, offering an unparalleled combination of extended runtime and robust performance that can keep your most demanding tools running longer than ever before, making it an indispensable asset for any project, big or small, ensuring you spend less time charging and more time getting the job done efficiently and effectively. Number 5. DeWalt 20V Max XR2Ah and 4Ah Battery 4-Pack. Introducing the DeWalt 20V Max Battery Pack. This versatile set is designed to power your entire range of applications, ensuring you're always ready for the job. With 2 XR4Ah and 2 compact 2Ah batteries, you get the perfect balance of runtime and convenience. They are built to support a wide variety of tasks. These batteries are fully compatible with all your DeWalt 20V Max tools and chargers. Enjoy seamless integration and uninterrupted workflow. Never guess your battery level again. Each battery features a fuel gauge with LED charge indicators, so you can easily monitor power status. Invest with confidence thanks to the included 3-year limited warranty. We stand behind the durability and performance of our power solutions. This pack contains two 20V Max Compact 2Ah Li-ion batteries and two 20V Max XR4Ah Li-ion batteries. Everything you need to keep going. What we like. This pack offers a versatile mix of battery capacities, including both compact and extended runtime options. It's perfect for users who tackle a variety of tasks and need flexibility. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to get multiple battery options for different jobs, this is a great choice. What people say. This battery has a long run time and holds a charge well. The battery is a bit heavy, but the power it provides is worth it. It fits perfectly with my DeWalt tools and provides consistent power. Number 4. DeWalt 20V Max 10Ah Lithium-ion Battery 2-Pack. Introducing the DeWalt 20V Max 10Ah Lithium-ion Battery 2-Pack. Experience longer runtime and increased productivity with its impressive 10.0Ah capacity. This powerful battery offers 200 watt-hours of energy, significantly boosting your productivity on any job. Get more done with less downtime. Designed for ultimate convenience, it's fully compatible with all your DeWalt 20V Max * tools and chargers. Seamlessly integrated into your existing setup. Never get caught with a dead battery again. The integrated 3 LED fuel gauge indicator lets you easily monitor the charge level at a glance. Plan your work effectively by knowing when to recharge in advance. This feature ensures you're always ready for the next task. With the DeWalt 20V Max 10Ah batteries, you can power through your entire workday. Enjoy extended performance and reliability. What we like. Experience unparalleled runtime with this high-capacity battery. It's designed for professionals and DIYers who demand maximum power and minimal downtime. If you're working on extended projects or using high-demand tools, this battery will keep you going longer. What people say. The battery lasts a long time. It charges quickly. The battery is compatible with all my DeWalt tools. Number 3. DeWalt 20V Max 10Ah Lithium-ion Battery. Introducing the DeWalt 20V Max 10Ah Lithium-ion Battery. Experience longer runtime and increased productivity with its powerful 10.0Ah capacity. This battery boasts a 10.0Ah, 200 watt-hour, capacity. This means you can get more done on a single charge. Designed for demanding tasks, it delivers consistent power. You can rely on it to keep your tools running efficiently. Built with advanced lithium-ion technology, it offers durability and reliability. It's a dependable power source for your DeWalt tools. Upgrade your tools with this high-capacity battery. It's the perfect companion for any professional or DIY enthusiast. What we like. This single 10Ah battery is built for maximum productivity, offering extended runtime for your most demanding applications. It's ideal for users who need a reliable, high-performance power source for their tools. If you prefer to buy batteries individually and want the longest possible runtime from a single unit, this is the one for you. What people say. This battery is a beast, it lasts forever and has tons of power. I was able to run my miter saw all day on a single charge with this battery. The charge time is surprisingly fast for such a high-capacity battery. Number 2. DeWalt 20V Max Battery Charging Kit. Introducing the DeWalt 20V Max Battery Charging Kit. It's designed to keep your tools powered up and ready for any job. This kit includes two 5.0Ah batteries, offering a total of up to 10 amp hours of capacity. You'll get extended runtime for your demanding tasks. It charges all your DeWalt 12V, 20V, and 60V Max batteries. The 4 amp charge rate ensures efficient power delivery. Keep your accessories organized with the included soft bag. It's perfect for storing additional tools or batteries. These batteries are built to last and come with a 3-year free service warranty. You can count on dependable performance job after job. What we like. This kit provides a convenient all-in-one solution with two 5.0Ah batteries and a charger. It's perfect for users who need to expand their battery collection and ensure their tools are always ready. If you're starting out or need a reliable charging setup with quality batteries, this kit is an excellent value. What people say. The battery life is exceptional, lasting significantly longer than smaller capacity batteries. It provides consistent power output, even under heavy load, which is crucial for demanding tools. The charge time is surprisingly fast for such a high-capacity battery, minimizing downtime. Number 1. DeWalt FLEXVOLT 20V 60V Max * 9.0Ah Battery 2-Pack. Introducing the DeWalt FLEXVOLT 20V 60V Max * 9.0Ah Battery 2-Pack. Experience the ultimate in power and runtime for all your DeWalt tools. Each battery pack delivers an incredible 180 watt-hours of energy, giving you a combined 360 watt-hours. This means longer work sessions and fewer interruptions. Compared to a standard 1.5Ah battery, you'll get an impressive 6 times the runtime. Get more done on a single charge. When used with a 20V Max tool, enjoy a substantial 9.0Ah capacity. This ensures your tools perform at their peak for extended periods. These batteries are designed for ultimate versatility. They are compatible with all your 20V Max, 60V Max, and even 120V Max tools. An integrated LED state of charge display lets you know exactly how much power is left at a glance. Always be prepared. What we like. Unlock the power of FLEXVOLT with these high-capacity batteries, offering incredible runtime and compatibility across multiple voltage platforms. They are designed for the most demanding applications, providing maximum power when you need it. If you own or plan to invest in DeWalt 60V or 120V tools, these are essential for unlocking their full potential. What people say. The battery lasts a very long time and has plenty of power for demanding tools. It charges quickly and holds a charge for extended periods, making it reliable for long workdays. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.